Greetings, everyone. Today, we're embarking on a comprehensive journey through the Actix Analyzer's user interface. Join me as we unravel its features, one step at a time. Launching Actix Analyzer. Head to the Start menu and fire up Actix Analyzer. As the application opens, you'll be greeted by the Choose an Engineering Process window, offering two powerful options. Analyzer Classic, tailored for advanced users, it empowers unrestricted data exploration. Spotlight Engineering, perfect for in-depth analysis of drive data, especially in large volumes and mixed technology scenarios. For our tutorial, let's opt for Analyzer Classic. Exploring the main UI. Let's delve into the heart of it, the main UI. Ribbon tabs. File, manage workspaces, select engineering processes, access help files, and configure preferences. Home, oversee log file operations, fine-tune presentation options, and control screen layout. View, customize your view and access presentation options. Data, dive into advanced data queries, log file merging, and various configuration options. At the top right corner, the question mark icon serves as your gateway to the user manual. Attribute Explorer. This is where you'll load and interact with different attributes within loaded log files, as well as manage measurement attributes. Workspace. On the right, discover workspace options designed for diverse data presentations and in-depth analytics. Conclusion. And there you have it, a thorough tour of Actix Analyzer's user interface. Stay tuned for more advanced tutorials. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for joining, and I'll catch you in the next one.